evening. Today I decided to make coffee using the what do you call this thing? Electric portable coffee maker. Ayan. So continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so what we need first is a ground coffee and our water. You can use boiled water or hot water, or you can use normal temperature water depending sa iyo. Now you can add your favorite coffee ground or instant coffee powder on the coffee pod, the built-in coffee pod there, like that. And then add water. Put water on the water tank. The water tank is on the top of the portable coffee maker. You can add as many water as you want. Depends on how matapang you want your coffee to be. Press that button to start the brew and just leave it for a few minutes. May marinig kang tunog, nag-whir siya sa loob. Once it stopped, then the brewing stopped. And also that means naubos na yung tubig sa water tank. Yung feels nitong portable electric coffee maker is para siyang thermos. So, it can keep hot and cold temperature longer. Also, yung feels niya, it's not plastic. It's like the thermos also. And then the shape niya is tumbler size, so portable. You can bring anywhere. So, just remove yung ganyan. Pag nag-lowbat na yung machine mo, pwede mo siyang i-charge. USB charge siya. USB Type-C. So, meron naman siyang sariling cord when you get it. So, yun yung indicator kung ilang percent na ng battery. So, just make it go all the way to the top. Pag nag-stop na siya, charge na siya. So there you go. You see how easy it is to use this portable coffee maker. If you like hot coffee, you should put boiled or hot water in this. Pero kung mahilig ka naman sa cold coffee, okay lang din. Kaya lang, pag gumamit ka ng ground coffee there, like what I did, hindi siya masyadong magiging magandang brew, cold brew lang magiging labas niyan. But that's okay with you, you can do that. Pwede na yung maglagay ka rito ng instant coffee na matapang, like Nescafe na matapang, or whatever. And then use that. So easy to use. Portable coffee maker. And where you go. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!